Hello guys, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. This is Fola Apparel. Today we are making this beautiful trending cow neck top. Believe me, this is one of the easiest top that we would ever make. A very simple top for beginners. Okay, let's get to business real quick. So you fold your fabric into two. I used a very light crepe. This is crepe, but it's a very light one. I used like 1 yard of fabric, and this is a backless top. For the length, I used 16 inches. This depends on how long you want it to be. You can use your half length plus like 2 inches, or half length plus like 3 inches, or you can use your half length. Then for the breadth, I use 30 inches. This depends on how you want it to fall. Do you understand me? So, and that is it. So now you will need 4 straps measuring 3 inches by, or depends on how big you want it to be. So me, I use 3 inches by the length I have on my fabric there, which is like 28 inches. So 3 inches by 28 inches, you cut it in 4 places. So after cutting this strap, you go ahead and fold it into two, then sew it. Please don't forget to close one edge and leave the other one open for you to turn it inside out. I actually forgot to do it here. So here I'm just sewing this strap. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to do. Please comment, like, share, and if there's anything you don't understand, please feel free to ask me. Though this is a very simple top. After you are done sewing, turn it inside out. I forgot to close one of the edges here. Please don't make the same mistake. Just sew it like you want to make a belt. After you are done with that, give it a good press. So now you place your belt on the 4 corners of your clothes. Just watch the way I'm doing it. One part will be for the neck, and the other part will be for the waist. So just watch me closely. My scissors mistakenly cut that part there, so you don't need to cut yours. So place the belt on the 4 corners, then you fold the other part on it and sew it. The other part serves as the lining. On that part there, leave like ½ inch before you place your belt for joining allowance. I hope you understand. Just watch me. It's very easy. You sew it round, then you leave like a little space, like 2 inches, for you to turn it inside out. So this, after sewing it, I'll turn it inside out with the 2 inches space that I left. Joining on the strap is showing here because I forgot to turn it when I was sewing the strap. Don't make the same mistake. And you guys, we are done with the top. So now you will use hemming gum to close up that 2 inches space that you have. And this is after doing the ironing. Thanks so much for being here, guys. See you some other times. Bye.